Install the wheel spacer to the drum or rotor using the lug nuts provided with the kit. Be sure the factory wheel studs are not extending beyond the face of the wheel spacer. If the factory studs extend beyond the face of the wheel spacer as shown, then they must be trimmed. Measure how far the studs extend beyond the spacer as shown. After measuring stud extension, remove the wheel spacers. Fully thread the included wheel spacer lug nuts onto the lugs. Installing the nuts before cutting the studs will allow the nuts to clean up the ends of the cut threads upon removal. Add at least 1/8 of an inch to the measurement and mark all the lug studs. Cut the studs with an angle grinder and clean up as needed. Remove lug nuts from the studs. Paint the cut ends of the studs to prevent corrosion. Install wheel spacers and check stud clearance to verify the studs were cut short enough. Retrim the studs if necessary. Check to make sure that there are at least 7 turns of thread engagement between the lug studs and nuts. If there is not enough thread engagement, it will be necessary to purchase extended thread lug nuts. Apply the thread lock provided. And tighten lug nuts holding the spacer to the wheel hub in a star pattern to the torque specifications. Have another person apply the brakes to achieve this torque spec. After driving the vehicle approximately 50 miles, recheck the torque of the lug nuts holding the wheel spacer to the hub. If the torque is insufficient and the nuts move, remove any nuts that moved and reapply thread locker. After driving the vehicle an additional 50 miles, check the torque of all lug nuts holding the wheels to the wheel spacers.